For those tech enthusiasts looking to delve into the world of DIY electronics repair, mastering the art of unlocking a smartphone is a game changer. Begin by powering down the device to prevent any power surge mishaps. Using a suction cup and gentle levering, open up the screen while paying attention to fragile connectors and screws. Keep a placement mat handy to organize screws, as this will make reassembly a breeze. For malfunctioning components, examine potential causes, such as loose connectors or wear and tear, and replace them with genuine parts to ensure compatibility. Embrace this empowering journey that not only saves money, but builds your confidence in your ability to tackle similar challenges in the future.